Well, what's up to all my chicken grease junkies out there in YouTube land? This is Fast Jimmy 71 coming at you from the Chicken Grease Garage. Well, what's up to everybody out there in YouTube land? Well, here is the Fast Jimmy 71 Chicken Grease Garage shop card. For those of you out there that are wanting one of these cards, just send me a message to my email, which is fastjimmy71@gmail.com. There you will leave your address and all your information, and I will get you a card as soon as I get your message. But this is not what I'm just going to show you guys. I'm going to move that to the side because I picked up this at Walmart. This is the Chip Foose design Ford FD100 pickup. I'm not going to open it. I opened it already, but I'm not going to open it for you guys to see what's inside because I know most of you guys out there already have this kit. I opened it and it's very nice, very nicely detailed kit. Can't wait to get into this one and start doing this one. But I picked up another one, which they had at Walmart, and it's the Chip Foose Designs Custom Cadillac Eldorado. I'm also not going to open this because I know most of you already have this kit too. So you already know what comes in this kit. I was told that when you get this kit to check the body to make sure that the window posts weren't crushed, and fortunately for me, this one wasn't crushed, so I'm happy about that. So this is going to be something else I can't wait to get into to build and see what I can come up with. This is not going to be the kit that I'm going to be using for Little Joe's Cadillac build. I had bought a couple of kits through Facebook, and lo and behold, they weren't to what I was expecting. I'm a little disappointed with the kits, so I'm not going to be building any of those. Yes, they were Cadillacs, but they were not to my standards. Just put it that way. They were very badly put together. So I need to figure out what I'm going to do with those. But I do have something coming in the mail that's also a Cadillac. It's a Johan, and as soon as I get it, I will let you guys know. And to that subscriber that got me that kit, I will, say a big thank you to him and dedicate the video to him as soon as I get the kit. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna let you guys think about it and say, "Ooh, I wonder who that was." But like I said again, to those who want a Fast Jimmy 71 Chicken Grease Garage shop card, let me know and send me a message to fastjimmy71@gmail.com, and I will get your information and send a card out to you. So that's really about it. I will be doing another video sometime during the week with Leilani. We are going to start getting her into the building of the kit that she got from H-Town Hobbies, Freddie. And I'm going to start getting myself back into doing that thing. It's been sitting there, and I haven't done anything with it. So I need to jump back into that one again. But that's really it, guys. Just want to do a short video letting you know what's going on here at the Chicken Grease Garage. Really not much. So till then, my brothers, this is Fast Jimmy 71 saying peace, and you know it, chicken grease. Laters.